Just a minute.
Yeah.
You come into a masjid. You're teaching us Islam.
From what I've learned.
Okay, so what you have to, I think God is going to bless you.
Inshallah.
But you got
Jesus?
Listen, God, whatever you call
Yahweh.
Wait, whatever you call the creator of the heavens and earth, that person you're talking about?
Yahweh.
Is that what you're talking about? The creator. Are you talking about the creator?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Anda mungkin mengenal pendeta ini dari salah satu videonya, di mana dia mencoba untuk mengubah agama seseorang wanita muslim menjadi Kristen. Dan kali ini dia mencoba triknya dengan seorang imam masjid.
When you come and have a conversation with a Muslim or Muslims who actually practice the religion.
Okay.
So when you start saying things that, I heard this and I saw this and I saw this, listen, you have to be like a lawyer. You got to document all of your findings, and then when you document all of your findings, then you come.
I mean, this
make the interview.
This is like one of those like universal
knowledge kind of thing.
But
Pendeta Richard mempunyai banyak video di mana dia mewawancarai orang-orang muslim, dan sebagian besar waktu dia berurusan dengan orang awam dan menyajikan mereka argumen-argumen yang sama yang merupakan inti dari kekeliruan Kristen.
God says in Quran, you can have one or two or three or four, but you better have only one. Then he puts the condition of having a second wife.
But isn't that confusing?
God
only wants us to have one wife. So do you believe Muhammad? Do you believe Muhammad married a 6-year-old girl?
Tapi bahkan saudara muslim secara acak di masjid yang acak bersiap untuk membantahnya saat itu juga, khususnya dalam hal teologi.
I work for God because I love Him, not because I don't know if I'm going to heaven or not. So most of my Muslim friends, they work and I say, you're going to go to heaven? I don't know. If I do good works, because you said it earlier, if I work my way to heaven, I can potentially make it. That is fear, confusion, deception. In my religion, and it's not even a religion, in my knowing my relationship with God, He told me I'm forgiven by the blood of someone who was perfect, out of mercy, out of compassion.
You can live your life wherever you want, however you want, and you'll still go to heaven. That's what you're saying.
No, I follow Jesus.
Follow God.
You believe in Jesus.
Yes, I believe.
And you believe He's
I love
God.
Him. If you don't, you are not Muslim.
You believe He's God too.
Huh?
Yeah, but you believe in your heart He's God.
That's stupid.
Itu hanya terjadi pada umat Islam yang rendah hati dan pendeta yang mengaku dipenuhi Roh Kudus, bahkan tidak bisa membuat perubahan pada iman mereka. Dan itulah alasan mengapa diskusi tersebut dipublikasikan mentah-mentah yang akan merugikan audiensnya, dan itulah mengapa dia harus menambahkan komentar yang berisi omong kosong yang diulang-ulang untuk tetap relevan.
Do you know where the word Allah comes from?
It means God. It's to submit.
But have you studied the origins of it back to the Mecca? Have you studied the origins of the word Allah?
Hubal adalah dewa pagan yang disembah di Arab pra-Islam, khususnya di kalangan suku Quraisy di Mekah. Hubal adalah salah satu berhala utama yang bertempat di Ka'bah. Salah satu dari banyak contoh, dia membuat air menjadi keruh, dan bukti bahwa dia tidak mencapai apapun dalam diskusi saja. Tentu saja, setiap poin yang dia sampaikan selain diargumenkan adalah tidak masuk akal dan telah dibantah berkali-kali. Tapi seperti yang kami katakan, ini hanya terjadi pada saudara secara acak di lokasi pembangunan masjid, dan itu menjadi lebih memalukan bagi Richard ketika dia duduk dengan imam yang sebenarnya, yang jelas-jelas tidak main-main jika ia bicara omong kosong.
And what are you going to do with this interview?
Post it on our social media. And you're okay with that?
Are you going to edit it? We want to start with an end in mind. So, how long is this?
It's 3:45 right now from the clock.
How long do you usually have this?
Imam dengan jelas mengatur nadanya dan menunjukkan bahwa masjid bukanlah tempat sirkus. Dan dia tidak berurusan dengan badut, tapi diskusi sebenarnya. Dan betapa tidak berpengaruhnya dia oleh argumen-argumen yang dilontarkan, bahkan lebih tenang.
From what I've actually watched Muslim documentaries, not like Christian, and it's a fact that according to Islam and history of Islam,
So you tell
that
us now about Islam.
from
So
what
wait just a minute. You come into
Alright.
the masjid. You're teaching us Islam.
from what I've learned.
Okay, so what you have to do from Jump Street, you have to make sure that all of your I's are dotted and all your T's are crossed. When you come and have a conversation with a Muslim or Muslims who actually practice the religion.
Okay.
So when you start saying things that, I heard this and I saw this and I saw this, listen. You have to be like a lawyer. You got to document all of your findings, and then when you document all of your findings, then you come.
I mean, this is
Make the interview.
this is
I think that you're gonna turn out all right. I think God is gonna bless you. But you've got
Jesus?
Listen, God, whatever you call
Yahweh.
Wait, whatever you call the Creator of the heavens and earth. That person you're talking about?
Yahweh.
Is that what you're talking about? The Creator. Are you talking about the Creator?
Yeshua.
Okay, well that's what I'm talking about. You're trying to find something that will ignite your group or ignite your situation on your show.
I want to help people. I want to help people.
Listen. If you want to help people, then you have to be willing to stick with the truth, the whole truth.
I
and
want
nothing
to,
but the
but
truth.
I really can't.
Bring the evidence.
I barely spoke during this entire interview.
All I'm saying is bring the evidence.
Let's be honest. I barely spoke.
Have a civilized conversation.
Tapi bukan hanya imannya, bahkan para peserta tidak membiarkan apapun terbang.
If that was the case, then we would be misguided.
From the Torah.
From the Torah, listen, that Torah is not what was revealed. By the time we got that message, you really believe that King James and all of his friends and everybody else put those remixes together. That's the same content that was revealed to Prophet Moses. Prophet Jesus, where's the gospel according to Jesus? Luke didn't even know Jesus.
But
It says that in the Bible. How was somebody who never laid eyes on Prophet Jesus?
Dan keseluruhan diskusi dapat disimpulkan dengan satu baris kalimat dari imam ini.
I want to bring this to a close. I don't want to. I really, I don't want to waste your time, and we don't want you all to waste our time. We appreciate you targeting us for this interview, but I think that I would invite you back again. But
You gotta
I
have
think
your facts straight.
Tentu saja dan tidak mengherankan setelah tidak mencapai apapun kecuali menunjukkan keunggulan dan pengetahuan umat Islam. Richard menghabiskan 1 jam untuk berdiskusi agar diskusi tersebut tampak berjalan sesuai keinginannya, meskipun sudah jelas.
So, I'm gonna break down different parts of this video. I have my notes right here.
Tapi mungkin bagian yang paling problematis dari konten Richard Lorenzo Jr. tentang Islam adalah hal itu. Tidak seperti kebanyakan orang Kristen, dia tidak punya masalah dalam menyebarkan berita palsu hanya karena ingin membuat agama Kristen terlihat bagus. Contoh ini saja merupakan kesaksian betapa Kristiani seperti Richard mati-matian menggunakan segala kemungkinan trik yang mereka bisa agar agama Kristen terlihat masih relevan. Tapi sayangnya bagi mereka, tidak ada pengendalian kerusakan yang besar dapat menggantikan seluruh peradaban kembali ke agama mereka. Semoga Allah membimbing Pendeta Richard masuk Islam. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Terima kasih atas waktu dan perhatian Anda. Semoga video ini membantu kita semua memperluas wawasan dan saling menghormati perbedaan kita. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Like postingan ini jika bermanfaat. Kalau setuju, tulis di komen ya. Dan jangan lupa subscribe-nya serta share ke teman kamu biar pada tahu. Wallahu a'lam bishawab. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.